Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Floki family, welcome back. Welcome in. We're going to have some very exciting stuff to talk about because you guys are all aware of Floki and the success that they've recently had. Exchange listings, so on and so forth, what they're building, Valhalla, all that good stuff, right? Their marketing campaign. Well, now we're kind of going to shift gears a little bit. I'm going to talk a little bit about something that they're bringing to the table with their sister token. Kind of crazy success. Hearing from a lot of people out there in the crypto world. There's a lot of steam behind this token. So I'm absolutely going to share it with you guys as my subscribers. I was able to get into this token as well right at launch. I hope you guys are all aware of it because it is going to be a fun weekend, a wild ride, if you will, within this price action that we're seeing here on the charts. I'm going to break it all down for you guys. Obviously not financial advice, but please subscribe down below within what's going on with Floki, all the updates as well. And this project, TokenFi, right? It's officially Floki's sister token. All right, so very strong stuff. I'm going to talk all about it in this video. And here's their website, tokenfi.com. Check them out. I am not getting paid to talk about Floki or TokenFi for that matter, but this is just something I invested in, and I did not want to go the weekend and have some success and some gains without sharing it with you guys on the channel. But here's the official on X from Floki's actual handle, where we're seeing their announcement with their sister token, TokenFi, now live and tradable. The hashtag ticker is $token. And what they're doing basically is they've done a kind of interesting launch, right? They're on they've had some allocation circulating on the BSC side of things, as well as what we're seeing on Ethereum. So they've kind of equally split it up. But now what we're getting into is what are they actually doing, right? They're an asset tokenization platform that is going to capitalize on the trillion-dollar tokenization industry. So you're going to ask yourself, what the hell does that mean? Well, check it out on the website, because if you're into the knowledge and the technology and the kind of the whole formula within tokenization and that process, this is what's going to be very much a solution if TokenFi can actually get some success. Now, obviously, this could be one of those crypto projects that's a dud, or essentially it's going to capitalize off a $16 trillion industry in 2023. Okay, so I want to get into the charts real quick because I know you guys think I'm just talking about this token and what they have to do, but you can check out their whole website by yourself, tokenfi.com. And what I want to share with you, though, is this chart, right? This is just basically 1 day of launching, up 50% plus on the day. It's going to be a very fascinating ride for the weekend. Now, I have these on 3-minute candles, and what I want to share with you kind of is the steam we saw if you guys were involved with Pepe Coin. Now, this is a live chart, so this is right here, current of Saturday, 1:25 Eastern time. But I want to share with you guys what I'm talking about, because this meme coin hysteria, right? Bitcoin 35K. We're seeing Ethereum up close to 2K. This is some very strong stuff, guys. And when we talk about what token can do here, this is something where if you were a part of that Pepe Coin craze, really you could have an absolute waterfall candle, just incredible green when we talk about gains you can have. And I'm not obviously going to tell you what to do with, hey, is this a good time to buy now? I don't want to do that ever for you guys. So obviously make your own decisions financially. But I was able to get in. I bought half of my bag when we had the big sell-off here, if you could look back when we launched. But as well, I'm going to share with you guys kind of what I mean. This is a very interesting launch due to the fact that they had a 20% buy tax and a 20% sales tax, I believe. Now that has been lifted a little over an hour, where now it's a 5% buy and sell tax, okay? So check it out, because this is where I bought half my bag, kind of at the bottom, but I had to pay a 20% tax, and then I was able to get some right around this level here on this leg up. So kind of sparked my interest. We got a lot of stuff going on this weekend. I'm going to be pretty much glued to football as well as what's going to happen with this token. And it's very strong right now. So I'm eyeing probably a 3 to 5x for my own personal investment, but I'm going to leave some in there because, like I said, if you check out their website and you're into tokenization, it's a $16 trillion industry. So there's been a lot of times where I've gotten into crypto projects such as these smaller caps, if you will, and now what we've seen is these kind of get some ground, right? When we start building out ecosystems and so on and so forth in these projects, they may not have a good launch, but then, you've always had those cryptos in your wallets that, 6 months later, a year later, you're just like, holy crap, I didn't know I had that big of a holding. But these cryptos can some kind of way get a resurgence, or they finally just build, it's better time down the road than just kind of at their launch time. It's very interesting. But like I said, guys, it's not so often you get a official sister token come about from a real crypto players such as Floki, right? Huge market cap, and now they're endorsing this token. It's a sister token, and they're trying to capitalize on a $1 trillion tokenization industry. So if you guys are into tokenization, absolutely drop it down below in the comments. I want to hear your guys' thoughts. If you're into token, or if you've invested at launch, because I got to be honest with you, and I kind of apologize, I'm kind of late talking about this. It was brought upon my desk, right before launch, and quite frankly, I didn't really do any research on it. Kind of just trusted one of my friends within what's going on, because he's a believer in tokenization. And it's kind of like, you get a lot of Inus, right? You get these Inus, and this is not another Inu. And like I said, I really don't have any reason to be talking about this to you guys or any financial interest other than what I've invested my own money. But just wanted to share with you guys an opportunity, because I'm in it. I know a lot of people that I trust in it, and quite frankly, it's something where we haven't really talked about a project or a crypto on this channel, for that matter, and it's something where you look into some of these more lower caps that you can absolutely have some huge gains. Just brought my attention, and I wanted to share with you guys. So like I said, drop your comments down below. Do some research on TokenFi. If you're into tokenization, you're into Floki, they're backing it, and that's a huge backing, guys. And I really don't think the whole user base has gotten into this chart, just because of the number of holders and whatnot. And it's kind of crazy to kind of put in perspective. And one of the reasons why I bought, and it really doesn't mean anything, I guess, if it doesn't come to fruition and have a huge multiple, is just because, yes, I do believe in tokenization and that niche, if you will. But if you just look at it from a matter of Floki and that backing, right? If everybody who owns a Floki, every wallet that holds Floki becomes a token Floki holder, yes, that's going to be absolutely exponential on the charts, right? And I just don't think a lot of Floki holders know about token at this moment in time. Yes, and it could sell off in a weekend and I can lose my whole bag, but just very enthused about where this could head, because Floki, you guys are watching this video because of Floki. The community is strong. So I wanted to talk about it and share with you guys. So that's what I got for you in this channel. We're going to do an update here if we can have some success from this. And if it fizzles out and dies, then so be it. I only put $1,000 into this one, and we'll talk about it further on the channel. But I hope you guys are all doing well. Enjoy the weekend. Go out there, have some fun, and we will see you guys all in the next one. Be sure to subscribe on your way out, and I thank you once more for watching.